Hello, students. Are you ready to unlock the fascinating world of mathematics? Look no further. My name is Meshak Amankwa. I'm from Ghana and I have a bachelor degree in mathematics education. And I'm here to guide you through the exciting realm of numbers, equations, and problem solving. With 2 years of experience teaching mathematics, I am dedicated to helping students like you build a strong foundation in mathematical concepts and develop the skills needed to tackle even more complex problems. My teaching approach is interactive, engaging, and student centered. I have a strong belief in fostering supportive learning environment where you feel comfortable asking questions, making mistakes, and exploring new concepts. Whether you are preparing for exams, aiming to improve your grades, or simply eager to deepen your understanding of mathematics, I am here to help you succeed. Are you ready to take a first step? Book a trial lesson with me and let's explore the fascinating world of mathematics together. I'll see you soon.